you're looking for a good way to make money from home, here are my 10 most recent home-based online jobs that are paying $20 or more per hour, and they're hiring right now. So stay tuned, we got lots to cover, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first way, or the first opportunity I'm going to be sharing in this video for you to find work from home or an online job that pays well is American Express. If you've heard of it before, they're a credit card service and credit provider company, and it can be a great opportunity for a lot of people because American Express, surprisingly or not, offers lots of virtual type jobs, remote type jobs, work from home jobs. All of the opportunities I'm going to be sharing with you today in the work from home jobs and the ways to make money from home are shared in the show notes, the links directly to the work at home type, the jobs on the sites that I talk about, so you can find them easier, and it makes it easier for you to watch and pay attention to the video as we go, but you can always check them out below the video in the description box in the show notes. Okay, so when you get to this site at American Express, the easiest way to find the career is the careers tab at the bottom in the header, in the footer. You might want to change the country that you're looking it up in. I was looking for lots of different types of jobs in different parts of Canada, different parts of Europe and Asia, as well as the United States, obviously, so that you guys would, have a lot of, because I get so many viewers from around the world, that you guys can find good ways to work from home. So if you click on the careers section at the bottom of American Express, it'll take you to a page that will explain, a little bit briefly about what they do, where their locations are. As you can see, Australia, the United States, Canada, France, Germany. There's some Asian as well, Asian countries as well, and as well as in South America. You want to, in the search box, you want to punch in work. You can punch in anything, but you could work from home, particularly for this video, to find opportunities. American Express always has lots of jobs available for remote type workers like yourselves. As you can see here, there's a lot listed just from the work from home. There's 31 pages, 31 opportunities around the world right now just from working at home. Where it says location, it means that you got to be from the United States, but it doesn't need to be a particular office. So as you can see, there's a virtual travel consultant, customer service type jobs available. A lot of these are going to be customer service agents and that, and you just do it from your home. You probably need a good headset, which you can find at Amazon, and they also might provide that for you depending on the level of the job that you're applying for. And then you just click the blue button and it will take you to the application to try out or apply for that job. The next one is one of my favorite survey sites where you can sign up, become a member, and you complete surveys. You don't make a lot of money at this site. There's a link to the description box below, but as you can see, it's one of the more reputable survey sites because it has a customer support number. You can talk to them. You can work with them if you ever run into a problem or haven't got paid for something. I've been with this company, Survey Savvy, for over 2 years now. I always get paid. I get paid by PayPal, and there's always lots of surveys to complete, so there's a little bit more work, but you get paid. So if you're a type of person that doesn't mind the level of pay, you could just sign up once you go to the link in the description, show notes below. You just sign up and you can start taking surveys within 2 minutes. Okay, there's no cost to join, obviously. The next work from home type platform that you could be looking at is, as a different variance of degree, is LiveOps. Okay, and that link is in the bottom. And basically, here at Live Ops, you are a virtual assistant, customer support, or you might be doing inbound or outbound sales if you're interested in those kind of things. They basically are a call center, but you operate out of your home. There's lots of different opportunities. Companies come here and hire. They uh, they outsource, I guess, their customer support to live ops, and they have obviously lots of jobs available here as well. Up at the top tab, after you click the link in the show notes below, it will take you to become an agent page, and that's where you find a little bit more directly about the opportunity, but you also you actually sign up there and apply there. Okay, so how much can you earn? The earning potential here is pretty good. You can work 20, 25, 30 hours a week, and you'll be able to make up to $400, $600, $800 working from home, because all the opportunities that they offer at Live Ops is to be working from home. You just log into a piece of software that you download, and like I said, you're going to need a computer, your home office space, and a telephone and a computer. So you might want to check this one out. It's pretty good, and I have a friend that actually works there right now, but she only works 5-10 hours a week, and on Sundays, I believe. The next thing you might want to check out is ubetracers.com. This is where I make a significant amount of my income online. I do this obviously professionally. This company is ubetracers.com. I've been with them since 2017. And what you're doing here is really simple. I'm not going to go through in-depth detail, because it's free to join, and you can just head over to ubetracers.com. But you are going through government data banks in several different states as well as in Canada, and you are finding unclaimed accounts that are over $250. They're easy to find. As you can see, there's a video at the website that will show you a demonstration of how to do it and access these data banks. Then what you do is you claim that account number or the file number, submit it into the company. They approve or disapprove it, and because only one processor can be paid per account. Don't worry about the amount of accounts. There's 20 million accounts that you'll be searching through these data banks. I generally make more than $30, $40, $50 an hour working here. And then once you get your forms approved, you just complete them, and all you're doing is basic, simple data entry, which takes you about 5 minutes per account. So if you consider that it takes you 15 to 20 minutes to find an account over 250 and another 5 or 10 minutes to complete it, you're going to get a minimum of $25, because you get paid 10% of the account values. So you're going to minimally have a $250 account. Many of the accounts I find are over 1,000, but let's just say you found a minimum one for $25, took you 30 minutes total search and data entry time. What's going to happen there is you're going to actually make about $25 every half an hour, which translates obviously to $50 per hour. So it's a really good, and then you can get paid by direct deposit, you can get paid by PayPal, or you can get a company check just mailed out to you. Okay, that's ubetracers.com. Highly recommend it. But moving on, this is the next opportunity, which is pretty cool. I just recently found and did my due diligence on, is Appen. And there's a link, of course, in the show notes below this video. And basically, Appen has a lot of different jobs there, and you can click the jobs tab up at the top or at the bottom in the footer of the page. That will take you directly, but they have offices in China, the Philippines, United Kingdom, Australia, and several in the United States, obviously. They hire people from around the world, even if you're in Canada. Okay, so you basically the types of jobs that you're going to be doing at Appen. You're going to be doing translation or linguistics, language jobs. If you those are types of things that are up your alley and you're qualified for. You can also do rating type jobs. So they are flexible. They are part-time. They're home-based, and you just need a mobile device to be able to apply for those and get those jobs. And then they have lots of different micro tasks as well that you can do. So you can complete most of those types jobs and get paid $20, $30 per hour to complete the micro tasks. You just have to continue to keep doing new ones every single day, obviously, but it's a nice way to make an extra 25, 50, $100 a day at Appen. And then, of course, they have the upper, higher education, higher experience type jobs of corporate jobs, but you might want to spend some time going through there too to see if you qualify for any of the, sales and marketing type jobs or technical jobs, accounting, finance, engineering type jobs, building, programming and things like that. But there's lots of different jobs, obviously, at this company. The next one I want to talk about is Next Rep. And basically, you are a call center, another call center type job. You take jobs, or you can take orders for food companies, nonprofit organization, news, TV and radio, direct response call-ins from people listening to ads and then wanting to buy products and that. You just take their products or answer their questions. And you can also do travel and hospitality reservations with them. To become an agent, when you head over to Next Rep, you're just a phone rep, and I didn't mean just, it's just a phone rep job that is very easy, and most of people watching this video would qualify for it. Just become an agent, click on that. It will take you to an application and then walk you through the process getting started with them. One I'm pretty that I was excited to put on there because I have a gal that works with me that works along with me. A lot of you guys subscribers are becoming good friends. She got one of the biggest payouts that I've ever heard at Prize Rebel. I've been involved with Prize Rebel for a couple of years, but she just got a payout of $1,700. I haven't been clear if she piled that up or not, but you could be doing completing surveys and questionnaires and customer appreciation forms for Tim Hortons, Visa, Amazon, PayPal itself. And speaking of PayPal, that's how you can get paid at Prize Rebel. There's a link directly to join with me in the description box below. I strongly suggest that you take the 5 minutes to sign or 10 minutes to sign up, complete your profile survey, and then get inside and earn your very first survey, because when you join, you get a $5 bonus, $10 bonus when you first get started. They've paid out over $19 million, and they have over 900 work from home home workers that are waiting for you. Okay, so head over to Prize Rebel and get started with them too. I highly recommend it. Out of all of the survey sites out there, that is another one of them. I have a top 5, as we talked about Survey Savvy earlier in this video. Prize Rebel would be right up there in my top 5. Okay, so if you want some easy remote type job, go to Prize Rebel. Another one, you may have heard it before, it's called Lion Bridge, but I get a lot of subscribers private messaging me that they can't find the link on Lion Bridge. They always have lots of jobs available here at Lion Bridge. There's different types of jobs that you can go through, but if you go directly to Lion Bridge, that's why I always tell people to go to the description box below the video here in the show notes. I always give the direct links to the opportunities and the platforms and the websites that I talk about on my videos. But if in the top right hand corner it says join our team, just click on that. It will take you to also the job descriptions. They have corporate associate positions available right now. And this is where the home worker based jobs are. There's testers, raters, and curators. They're calling all home workers. So they always have good jobs here for college and university students as well. Or if you're a teenager over 16 and you're still in high school, they also have employment for you as well at Lion Bridge. Moving on to a brand new one that we just went through the process with is is a website called Service 800, and basically they do customer care and customer satisfaction. Um, so they have jobs available for people that can do that or that like to do those kind of things, working from home. If you don't mind talking to a few people, you just click on the career section. It will bring you to the customer service application, the type of jobs that they have available. I've never seen other jobs available from Service 800, but they may from time to time to do that, but they always have customer service representative. That's why we put it through the test, and we have approved it as a good way to work from home if you're into doing customer care, both live on the phone as well as live support on a website. You know, when you see the little help button or the customer care, this is one of those companies that do that, so you could be working with them. Here's another thing. I have a lot of people wonder always if the customer support tab that comes live on the website sometimes, is it a real person? Yes, and you could be doing it working from home with a company like service800.com because they do a lot of it around the world. So go check that out. Survey Club is something else you might want to check out. They have 16 million members, this is another survey company, and this is the one where you can get paid pretty good. You get paid $1 for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes of doing a survey. So that's not a lot, but the convenience and the flexibility to be able to do it from home is pretty good. You can earn more than that. Sometimes here's $3. You could be doing this from home with Survey Club, and there's a link directly to join with me below the video. And when you get to the website, all you do is just complete your information to sign up. They do pay by PayPal, or you can get paid by gift card. Some people like to do that, and that's completely up to you too. So I've recommended 3 different survey sites on here out of my top 5. So if you're interested in doing surveys here and there, I still do them, even though I earn a full-time living. I make more than $10,000 a month with Ube Tracers. I still always do once in a while when I'm doing other work, or I'm watching a TV show in the background. I'm completing surveys on these sites too, and I'll tell you what, I have an extra a few $100s a month that I can spend on gifts for friends and things like that. So I strongly encourage you, if you're going to do surveys, do the ones I recommend, because they have stood the test of time. I've been doing online, making money online since 2012. I've been doing it full time, earning a significant income since 2017 with UBAtracers.com, but a lot of things that got me through the month were the survey sites at Prize Rebel and Survey Club and Survey Savvy, along with a couple other survey sites that I could recommend too. So take a look at the show notes below, as I got some more information in there, and I give you the direct links to all of the opportunities and platforms and websites that I mentioned on today's video. As you can see, I'd appreciate you giving a thumbs up if you like the content here, so I can provide more. If you have any comments on other future shows that you'd like me to do, put that in the comment section below. And subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos giving you good, valuable content about making money online, working from home, online, on a daily basis, every single day of the week. As you can see, there is new videos popping up on the screen that you might be interested in. Take a look at those, subscribe, and I am Sandy Sauvé. I will talk to you real soon.